2.1 pounds beef liver. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Wash them with water and drain. Slice one yellow onion, then put it in the blender. If you don't have a blender, you can grate the onion instead. Adding raw onion to marinades not only adds flavor, but it also tenderizes the meat. Mix well. Seven cloves garlic, minced. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. Half a teaspoon of chicken powder or magic sarap. Half a teaspoon of paprika. Half a teaspoon of thyme powder, optional. Mix well. Six tablespoons of soy sauce. Four tablespoons of calamansi extract or lemon juice. Mix well. Marinate overnight. Refrigerate. Heat the cooking oil. Sauté onion for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove from the pan and set aside. Heat the cooking oil. Add the marinated beef liver. Cook for 3 minutes medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Continue cooking over medium-high heat for 8 minutes. Uncover, stir occasionally. Do not overcook. Add the onions. Continue cooking for 1 minute. Serve with rice and enjoy. Wow, so delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.